safe arrival.
The end of the year always attracts high volume of traffic, coupled with breakdown of traffic rules and regulations. That is why Federal Road Safety Corps is not relenting in their efforts towards ensuring safety on the roads. The sector head of Special Marshals, Assistant Corps Commander Oyewole Adeyemi, who led the park rally at Berger in Ojodu area, appealed to commercial bus drivers to desist from overloading and speeding in order to avoid loss of lives and property.
3 key factors have been identified as causes of road traffic crashes on Nigerian road. We have the human factor, mechanical, and the environmental factor. But of all these 3 factors, close to 85% is attributable to human error. I want to enjoin all the drivers that though speed trace, but it kills. Speed has been identified as a risk factor in road traffic crashes on Nigerian road. We should not be in haste, because this vehicle we are driving, it is the way you drive it that it will respond to you. If you overspeed and there is emergency, the result is not always palatable.
Other stakeholders said the public enlightenment campaign organized by Safeway Special Marshal RS 2.1 in collaboration with the Lagos State Ministry of Information and Strategy was to remind road users that strict adherence to traffic rules and regulations is imperative to safe driving.
Other message I have for them is that they should take enough rest before embarking on their journey. This is very essential. We are losing a lot of people as a result of this, and they should not engage in night driving. It's not good at all.
We just want to appeal to all drivers to ensure that they drive safely on the highway. They ensure that their tires, all their gears and wheels are in good shape before they embark on any journey. And they also, basically, they don't drink and drive, or while they are driving, they avoid drinking and they don't overspeed, so as to have a prosperous New Year celebration.
They, however, pledged their commitment to enhance communication and reduction of road traffic crashes to barest minimum, as they maintained that safety on the highways is a collective responsibility. In Lagos, Treasure Abimbola Olatunji, NTA News.